Hey. Yeah, welcome to Grip 1. Magnet Man on every level. Or, I mean, Hard Man. Magnet Ham on every level. Yep. Yep. Yep.